At Kufen Motor and Pump Technologies, we specialize in the repair, service, sales, and parts of electric motors and pumps. We repair motors and pumps up to 1,500 horsepower. Established in 1946, Kufen Motor and Pump Technologies Incorporated has over 70 years of experience repairing and replacing motors and pumps throughout the area. There is not a job too big or too small for us to handle. We work with all industry brands and are the leading supplier of products from all of the top motor and pump manufacturers. We also specialize in hard-to-find motors and pumps, so chances are we have exactly what you are looking for. This broad spectrum of manufacturers and hard-to-find products enables us to supply our customers with a complete range of industrial products in an expedient, cost-effective manner. In addition to our products, we also provide engineering and technical support on industrial motor and pump applications. Another service we provide to our customers is pool pump and pool pump motor service, repair, and replacement. If you are having trouble with your pool pump motor, give us a call. We will have your pool back up and running as soon as possible. Being family-owned and operated, Kufen Motor and Pump takes pride on being industry experts when it comes to electric motor and pump repairs. Let us help you with all of your electric motor and pump repair needs. We are dedicated to customer satisfaction and want to ensure you have your problem fixed quickly and at an affordable rate. At Kufen Motor and Pump, our trained technicians have experience with all major brands of motors and pumps. Our certified technicians are highly trained when it comes to motor and pump repairs and diagnosis. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Call us today for all of your electric motor repair and replacement needs, and let us add you as another satisfied customer. 215-672-5250